Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can check whether your phone is 4G or 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and brightness. Here go to screen refresh rate, and if refresh rate is available with 90 Hz, that is above 60 Hz, then you can understand that your phone is 5G. Okay, if it is only having 60 Hz, then you can understand that it is 4G. Okay, here 90 Hz is also available. Okay, so you can conclude that your phone is 5G. Okay, alternatively, go to the settings of your phone here and go to network and internet, and here click on SIM card and mobile network. Click on the SIM name, go to preferred network type. Here if you see that 5G preferred available, then you can understand that this is 5G. Okay, if you select the first option, you can clearly see that 5G preferred, 4G, 3G, 2G. So up to 5G it is supported. So from which you can understand that your phone is 5G. If it's not, then this first option will not appear. Only up to maximum 4G will be listed here. Okay, so in these two way you can make sure that your phone whether is 4G or 5G. Okay, my phone is surely 5G because by these two methods I have checked refresh rate 90 Hz is available. Also 5G network is showing in the SIM card. Okay, so I can conclude that my phone is 5G. In this way you can easily check yourself for your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.